In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a device in your Amazon Prime Video account in 2025. If you want to watch Prime Video on a new TV, streaming stick, tablet, phone, or game console, the good news is that the setup process is usually very quick. The main goal is simply to connect that device to the Amazon account that has your Prime Video subscription. To begin, open the Prime Video app on the device you want to use, or go to Prime Video in a web browser if you're setting things up from a computer. If you haven't signed in yet, log into your Amazon account. Make sure it's the same account connected to your Prime membership or Prime Video subscription, otherwise the new device won't be linked to the correct library and streaming access. If you're working with a brand new device, make sure the Prime Video app is installed first. Prime Video is available on smart TVs, Fire TV devices, Android phones, iPhones, tablets, game consoles, and many other streaming devices. So the process is very similar across most platforms. Once the app is open on the new device, select Sign In from the welcome screen. At this point, you may see two different sign-in options. The first option is to sign in directly by entering your Amazon account details on the device itself. The second option is to register the device using a code. In most cases, the code method is the easiest, especially on TVs, because it saves you from typing everything with a remote. If you choose the code method, a registration code will appear on your TV or streaming device screen. Leave that screen open so the code stays visible. Then, on your phone or computer, open the Prime Video device registration page. When the page loads, enter the code exactly as it appears on your screen, then select Register Device. After that, give it a few moments. Prime Video will verify the code and automatically link that device to your Amazon account. Once the process is complete, the Prime Video home screen should appear on your device and you can start streaming right away. If you ever want to review which devices are connected to your account, go to your Amazon account settings, then open Content and Devices and choose Devices. This section lets you see all registered devices tied to your account. And if you've reached your device limit or you no longer use one of the older devices, you can remove it by selecting Deregister. That helps keep your account organized and makes room for any new device you want to add. That's all it takes to add a device